it is kind of this celestial gold rush.
For someone who doesn't know the potential that is out there in space, why could it be important for a superpower, a space agency, to lay claim to parts of the moon or further afield in Mars?
I think when we talk about why we may be in conflict with one another, or what we're trying to aim when we are in conflict with one another, there is kind of this posturing and this, show of superiority, whether it's technological, whether it's economic. When we look back to the origins of human space exploration, it ended up being inspirational, but it was actually an extension of the Cold War. And so it was this political showdown between the Americans and the Soviets. And it was driven by political will, and then the economic funding, then the technology followed. And so when we talk about why it matters now, is there is that national and international posturing, but there also are these concepts of how do we decide who lays claim to resources on the moon? There's a number of treaties out there, but they're all unenforceable. And so, if we do discover something valuable on the moon, if we do discover we have the ability to extract water ice or helium-3, that matters.